still. Listen, you'll thank me when you don't look like a raisin at 40.
Sunscreen is only for women, yeah.
Is it? Really?
Men don't use it.
How often do you wear sunscreen?
Before going out in the morning.
I occasionally use it, mostly during the summers.
To be quite honest, I don't do skincare.
I didn't care about like skin or anything. I'm very simple guy, use soap, bath soap.
It depends on my mood.
But it comes into my mind that I should use, okay, my daughter has told, so I use.
Okay.
It's like that.
In the week, like 2 to 3 days.
What's the most convincing reason you've heard to actually wear sunscreen daily?
Tanning, of course.
For time,
It helped in reducing tanning.
to protect my skin from the sun, not getting tanned.
Are you that guy who reapplies sunscreen every few hours?
I apply sunscreen once in a day in the morning only.
Mostly I skip.
Reapply तो नहीं करता, एक बार ही यूज करता हूँ.
Yes, it's like after a gap of 6 hours, 6
Okay.
to 7 hours, I reapply.
Once a day could be acceptable. I can do that.
So if you had to spend all day indoors, do you think you still need sunscreen?
Whenever I'm in home, I don't use the sunscreen.
No. ज़्यादा स्किन को भी वो सेंसिटिव नहीं बना सकता.
Yes. Why? I mean, I watched a couple of videos that suddenly skincare videos just turn up on my feed and then you're like, okay, maybe you need to.
No, I don't apply sunscreen when I'm indoors, or it's like my skin is oily, so it makes my skin more oily. I like sunscreen because it protects my face, but not indoor because I don't need it much. But I should apply it, but I don't.
Alright, okay.
I just never really paid attention to it.
You know, I don't think there is a need for me to do
Okay.
skincare.
When you're applying, it's good, but after sometimes it feels like my face was sticky, like something. So that's why I didn't use it.
There are also theories and research which suggests that sunscreen block the good things that you get from sun.
I don't have any pimple problem or anything, so I'm good with it.